Hola amigos, I'm Tony, and I'm excited to welcome you to my channel where I explore cryptocurrency transactions and strategies for acquiring airdrops from Trustbed. As it's apparent, a considerable portion of the coins has already been allocated, underscoring the importance of acting swiftly. Detailed project information follows. To receive, you need to connect to MetaMask. As you can see, I don't have coins on my balance, now I will receive them. We strictly follow the conditions so that in which case we don't lose coins. First, we connect the wallet, then we wait for some time. Each waiting time can be different. I like to think positively and I think that everything will pass quickly. Great, we connected our wallet. Let's now navigate to the wallet. The coins have been accredited, signifying the arrival of the highly anticipated $500 airdrop. If you're interested in participating, I've showcased the simplicity of acquiring airdrops. Hopefully, you were able to watch this video before it ends. Have a wonderful day.